What were you looking at? Are you my thoughtful boy? You're looking at the bungees and thinking, how did they do it? How did they do it? Jonas, you're a silly boy. You know that? You're silly. So smart though. Silly, smart boy.